Question 19 in our according May June 20 variant 3 find the gradient of the line L. طبعا في الفورم دي الجريدينت بيبقى equal negative coefficient x over coefficient y. Negative coefficient x over coefficient y is equal to negative 3 over negative 8. It means 3 over 8. Find the coordinate of the point L. cut the y-axis، يعني عايز اجيب الواي intercept. To find الواي intercept put x equal 0. To put x equal 0 و to find the value of y negative 8y plus 20 equal 0. 8y equal 20 يبقى y is equal to 20 over 8 اللي هي تبقى equal 5 over 2. Then the point of intersection with y-axis is 0 and 5 over 2. Thank you. Question B. The coordinate of P are negative 3 و 8. The coordinate of Q. Calculate the length of PQ. دايما سؤال عليه 3 درجات. To find the length of PQ is equal to big fat city, 2 mountains, 2 birds, 2 snakes, Christians. X negative 3 و 9 والY's 8 و negative 2 using calculator. Square root negative 3 minus 9 between brackets to the power 2 plus 8 minus minus 2 between brackets to the power 2 is equal to 2 root 61, approximately 15.62. 15.62. Find the equation of the line parallel to PQ and passes through the point 6 و negative 1. To find the equation of the straight line y equal mx plus c. Now we have to find the value of m and the value of c. To find the value of m, we have to find the gradient 8 minus minus 2 y minus y over negative 3 minus 9. The value of m, 8 minus minus 2 is equal to 10 over negative 12. It means negative 5 over 6. The slope is y equal negative 5 over 6x. Now we have to find the value of c. To find the value of c, c equal y minus mx. We will use the point 6 or negative 1, 6 as x, negative 1 as y. Negative 1 minus negative 5 over 6, the slope, x is equal to 6. Using your calculator, negative 1 minus minus 5 is equal to 4. So the equation of the straight line parallel to the line PQ is y equal negative 5 over 6x plus 4. The next question, find the equation of the line perpendicular bisector of PQ. Very important questions. To find the equation of the perpendicular bisector, the equation of the straight line y equal mx plus c. Now we have to find the value of m and the value of c. To find the value of m is equal to negative 5 over 6, but be careful. Now we have to find the gradient of perpendicular, which is 6 over 5. Now you are halfway from solving this problem. You have just to find the value of c, 6 over 5x plus. To find the value of c, c equal y minus mx. But we have no point here. We have to find the midpoint, the bisector, the midpoint of PQ. The midpoint of PQ. The value of the point P is negative 3 and 8. And the value of Q is 9 and negative 2. To find the midpoint of PQ is equal to negative 3 plus 9 over 2 و 8 plus negative 2 over 2. الكلام ده equal 6 over 2 يعني 3 و 6 over 2 يعني 3. The midpoint is 3 و 3. Now we can find the value of c. Y is equal to 3. The slope is equal to 6 over 5 and x is equal to 3. Using your calculator, you can find out that the value of C is equal to negative 3 over 5. Now we can write the equation. The equation is y equals 6 over 5x minus 3 over 5. Y equal 6 over 5x minus 3 over 5. Very important question to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. We have three moves here. We have to find the gradient, the reciprocal, and to change the sign, additive, multiplicative, inverse. We have to find the midpoint, and we have to find the value of C after that. Then to write the equation. Thank you.